Hi friends, hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Zcash, and you are watching Moon333. Today, first of all, I want to have some recap with you guys on my previous chart that I've shared with you guys, and after that we'll watch this up channel that has been formed on the daily chart and this bullish bad pattern as well. And I want to show you how the indicators on the daily chart are turning bearish, and we will also watch the simple moving averages, the movement of the simple moving averages on the daily chart as well. And we will also look at the exponential moving averages. And we will also look at the support and resistance levels for the Zcash. And after that, I want to show you how the Zcash has formed a big falling wedge pattern on this weekly chart and how the different indicators are synchronized with the price action moving within this falling wedge pattern. And at the end, my favorite move by the Zcash is that it has formed a very, very big bullish Gartley pattern, same as like the Bitcoin has formed. But so far, the movement in the sell zone towards the sell zone is due by the Zcash. On the other side, the Bitcoin has hit the sell zone. So let's start the video, but before starting the video, as always, I would request you, if you didn't subscribe to my channel so far, then do subscribe it, and do hit the like if you like the video, guys, and do share my videos, and do share your comments in the comment section with me. I'll definitely try my best to reply your comments as soon as possible. And the information I'm providing in this video is for educational purpose only. This is not intended to be investment advice. So let's move to the live chart. First of all, we will have some recap before moving to the live chart. This was the chart that I've shared with you guys in the month of October, when the price action of Zcash formed a bullish crab pattern on the 2-day chart. And as per Fibonacci sequence, I just predicted that the price action will take a bullish divergence from this potential reversal zone that starts from 1.27 up to 1.618 Fibonacci level. And it should enter in this Fibonacci projection of A to D leg. And I was expecting that after taking a bullish divergence, the bullish rally will be continued and it will break all the resistance levels that we had at that time above the price action of Zcash. But now I'm just playing this chart, then you can see that the price action started a bullish rally, but after producing more than 170% move or gains, it dropped again in this potential reversal zone. Now, this is a live chart, and on the daily chart, we can see that the price line has formed an up channel, and it was moving very well in this channel. Like here we can see that after hitting this resistance, it moved at the support, then moved at the resistance, then support, then moved at the resistance level, and then tried to hit another attempt to break out this resistance level and move down at the support. But this time, I'm expecting that the price line will break down the support, because if we see on, first of all, I want to show you this move that for example, if I'll place this pattern tool, then we can see that after initial leg, the A to B leg is retraced between 0.382 to 50 Fibonacci, and then we have a Fibonacci projection between 0.382 to 886 Fibonacci, and now this is the formation. This is the second confirmation for the bullish bad pattern, and now the final leg should be retraced from 0.786 up to 0.886 Fibonacci level or retracement. Here I have placed this pattern tool on this daily chart, and I have drawn this complete pattern, and you can see that this is the buying zone or Fibonacci retracement level. Starts from $37.15 up to almost $35. Therefore, we can expect a move up to 37.15 to $35.64. And if we see the different indicators on the daily chart, and then we can see that the RSI is turned bearish, and if you see the moving average convergence, divergence, the MACD indicator, that is completely turned bearish, and we have also received the bear cross by the moving averages within this MACD indicator, and the momentum indicator is also turning bearish. So these indicators are in favor of bears, and we can expect that this bearish move will help the price line to complete this bad pattern, and then we can expect a potential pullback or potential bullish divergence from this potential reversal zone or buying zone. And if I'll take you to the moving averages chart, then we can see that the price line crossed up the 25, the 50, the 200, and after crossing up the 200 simple moving average, it faced a very strong resistance by the 100 simple moving average. And now, after having a double top with 100 simple moving average resistance, it is dropping down, and I'm expecting that it will break down this 200 simple moving average as well, and it will be bounced from here, from 50 simple moving average that is almost at the $37, or maybe we will have some little bit more spike up to $35 as per the potential reversal zone or buying zone of this bad pattern. Then we can expect an upward move. And if I'll show you these EMAs, the exponential moving averages with EMA 10 and EMA 21. This is very important, EMA 21. Whenever you can see that the price action crosses up the EMA 21, it uses the EMA 21 as a support, strong support, and after having different bounces, it moves up like we can also see here in the past as well. When the price line crossed up the EMA 21, then it used the EMA 10 and EMA 21 both as the support, and once it was dropped down and we received a bear cross by the EMA 10 and EMA 21, then we have witnessed a very strong bearish move or trend in the month of March, back in the month of March. And now I'm expecting the same death cross between these two EMAs, but I'm not expecting as that much bearish rally that we have witnessed in the month of March. But however, it can help the price line to complete this final leg of this bad pattern from $37 up to $35. Now let's move on to watch on the different resistance and support levels for the price action of Zcash. Then we can see that after a strong bearish trend by the price line of this Zcash coin, then we can see that finally the price line took a bullish divergence or bounce from the support of $26. That is very strong support. Then we can see that it is not broken down since a long time. For example, if we take a look from here, that is November 2019, and we can see that this support is not again broken down, and it is again saved even after a very, very strong bearish trend in the month of March. And after that, we can see that the price action has broken up or broken out the next resistance level at $35. And after breaking this resistance level, the price action, as usual, retested the previous resistance level as a support. But so far, it is not able to cross up or break out this next resistance level at $49, where we have the 100 simple moving average on the daily chart as well. We can see that it has formed a double top here, and it has also formed a double top here with the resistance level of $49. Then we can expect that the price line may retest the previous resistance level as a support that is at $35. Now let's move to the little bit more long-term chart, that is a weekly chart, and we can see that the price line has formed a falling wedge like other top coins. Almost all the top coins have formed different chart patterns like the wedge patterns and the triangles as well, and the pen. Different chart patterns like the wedge and the triangle and the pennants as well, and same as like that, the Zcash has formed a falling wedge pattern, and now we can see that after having bounced from the support of this falling wedge pattern, it was turning bullish. But now I'm expecting that it will retest the support. It will be not able to reach at the resistance of this pennant. The reason behind that is that if, first of all, I would like to place this, my favorite indicator, that is the volume profile. That is very useful indicator. I'm just placing this volume profile on the complete price line moving within this falling wedge, and after placing this tool we can easily observe that the trader's interest is up to almost $37, where our bullish bad patterns potential reversals on starts, and we have a point of control of the volume profile is at $54 or $55. That is very positive thing that we have a POC level very close to the resistance level. Therefore, the price line can easily hit or reach at the resistance level as well. And if I will place the Bollinger Bands, then we have another very positive sign that the Bollinger Band is above this resistance of the wedge. Therefore, it will be easy for the price line to cross up or break out the resistance of the wedge. But if I'll show you some different indicators, like I'm using the combination of 3 indicators here. You can see, first of all, I have placed the stochastic, then I have placed the MACD conversion, the moving average convergence, divergence, and after that, I'm using the momentum indicator as well. And we can see that the movement of the price action is very much synchronized with these 3 indicators. For example, when the price line has hit at the support of the falling wedge and at the support of the Bollinger Band as well, and the MACD turned bullish, it was turned weak bearish from strong bearish, so it means that it was turning bullish, and we have received a bullish signal or weak bearish signal by the momentum indicator. Then we can see that the price line turned very strong bullish and reached at the support, at the resistance of this falling wedge pattern. And when it was reached again at the support of this falling wedge pattern, then we can see that again when the MACD was turned bullish, or it has given the weak bearish signal after turning strong bearish, and we have already had received the bullish signals by the momentum indicator, and it was at that time it was hitting at the support of the wedge, and we received the stochastic bull cross, and we can see that again the price line took a powerful bullish divergence and moved up more than 170%. But this time if we see, then there is some critical situation that the stochastic has given bull cross, and we have already received a bull cross or the bullish signals. Even at this time the MACD is very strong bullish. But if we take a look at the momentum indicator, then we can see that the momentum is continuously ignoring the bullish signals by the stochastic and the MACD indicator as well. We can see that the momentum is turning more and more bullish. At this time it is turning more bullish. So it's mean that this time the price action of Zcash can behave a little bit different as it was behaving here and here. So I'm expecting this time again the price line will move down to I'm not expecting that the price line will retest the support of this falling wedge pattern, but I'm expecting a move up to this level where we have the interest of the traders up to this level as per volume profile of the complete price action moving within this wedge, and that is up to $35. Then we can expect that the price action can move down and retest the $35 level where we already have a previous support level that was working as a resistance, and now it is working as a support. And we also have the potential reversals of this bullish bad pattern as well. And now I'm taking you to the very, very big bullish Gartley pattern that has been formed on the monthly chart. And you can see that this is the initial leg, and after initial leg, the A to B leg is retraced between 0.618 to 0.786 Fibonacci level, and then B to C leg is projected between 0.382 to 0.886 Fibonacci projection. This is the Fibonacci projection of A to B leg. And now the final leg is retraced between 0.618 to 0.786 Fibonacci level. And here our complete Gartley pattern is formed, and now we can expect, as per Fibonacci sequence, we can predict that the price line should take a powerful bullish divergence from here, and it should enter in this area, that is 0.382 to 0.786 Fibonacci projection. This is the Fibonacci projection of A to D leg, not A to B leg. This is a Fibonacci projection from A to D leg, and this move is up to more than 173%. Very powerful big bullish move we can expect very soon. But this is the monthly chart. one candlestick is representing 1 month. Therefore, it can take some time. This trade needs some patience. If you want to take it as a single trade, then you can buy it here, like I suggested to you in case of Bitcoin and in case of Ethereum as well. Then you can buy it here and you can sell it here. Like our buying zone starts from $57 up to $38, and it ends up to $71 up to $105. But believe me, once the price line will be able to cross up this 786.786 Fibonacci projection, that is a very big hurdle and resistance level as well for the price line, then we can expect that the price line can move up and it can achieve the higher than the previous highest price. That was almost $800 resistance level we had. Now, once the price line will be able to cross up this level, then the price line can move up to attempt to break out the next resistance level at $800. But first of all, we need to have a breakout from this level. And for this breakout, first we need the breakout from this wedge, the resistance of the wedge, that is almost at $60. So this was the update so far by the price line of Zcash. On the short term, I'm expecting a bearish move, but on the long term, it is very, very bullish move. And very much optimistic thing that if we compare this bullish Gartley pattern with the Gartley pattern that was formed on the Bitcoin chart, if you didn't watch that chart or that video where the Bitcoin has formed a big bullish Gartley pattern, then you can find the link of that video on your computer screen at the end of this video. And if you're watching this video on my different other channels like 3Speak and DTube and other channels as well, then you can find the link of that video in the video's description. So if we compare this Gartley pattern with the Bitcoin chart pattern, then on the Bitcoin, in case of Bitcoin, the Gartley pattern is executed and the price action has hit this sell zone. But at this time, if we watch this pattern by the Zcash, then we can see that so far, even after more than 171% move, the price line is still moving within this buying zone, and more than 170%, up to more than 170% move is due. So the price line is due to hit at this sell zone. Therefore, this move is more bigger than the Bitcoin move, 170% plus 170% more. So this is a more powerful move than the Bitcoin. So this was the update by the price action of Zcash. If you like the video, then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel. Do share comments with me and do share my video as well. Take care. Goodbye.